Hello guys, so before starting the video please consider the note. Note: WhatsApp channels has begun rolling out but isn't available to everyone yet. Join the waitlist to be notified when WhatsApp channels is available to you. Where channels is available, we're rolling out new features gradually. Some features, like being able to create a channel, might not be available to you yet. If you have access to WhatsApp channel creation, then follow the below steps. Open WhatsApp web, and go to channels by clicking the channels icon. Click Create Channel. Click Continue and continue through the on-screen prompts. Add a channel name to finish creating your channel. You can choose to change the name again at any time. Customize your channel. You can choose to customize your channel now by adding a description and icon, or wait until later. Add a channel description. Write a few words to help potential followers understand what your channel is about. Add a channel icon. Add an image from your phone or the web to stand out. Click Create Channel, and you're done.